Next question. This is the question GATE 2018 1 mark. What is the question say? A process executing OS with demand paging. The average time for a memory access is M. Means memory access time is given, that is M, and if corresponding page is available in the memory, if the corresponding page available in the memory, that is a page hit, then it will take M, and D is the memory access time that cause a page fault. Means page fault service time is given, that is D, and it has been experimentally measured that average access time is X unit. What is the average access time? EMAT is X. Then what is asking about which of the following correct expression for page fault rate? So in demand paging, what is the effective memory access time? Whenever the page fault occur, you will do the page fault service time, and whenever page fault not occur, you will directly access the memory. Clear hai? So effective memory time is given X, P is not given, D 1 minus P into M. So he is asking about the P. So PD plus M minus MP equal to X. So X minus M, you can take the P is common, D minus M. So what is the page fault rate? X minus M upon D minus M. X minus M upon D minus M. B is the right answer. You are getting my point? Because it is very simple question, but sometimes students get confused. Effective main memory access time is given, that is M. Page fault service time is given D. How, sir, how can you say that page fault service time is D? Because it is clearly mentioned takes D unit if memory cause a page fault. अगर page fault होता तो D unit time लग रहा है. और effective main memory access time is given X unit. Main memory is given, that is given, and asking about the page fault rate. So whenever the page fault occur, we do the page fault service time. Whenever page fault not occur, means directly we access the memory. So P into D, because page fault rate is, let's suppose page fault rate is P. So whenever the page fault occur, D or 1 minus P into M, that is X. So we are getting, by solving this equation, B is the answer. Here you can see, whenever the page fault occur, you do the page fault service. Otherwise page fault, direct you can access the main memory. Page fault service time is D, main memory is M. So we are getting X minus M upon D minus M. B is the right answer. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.